I'm Corbin and that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be making a bouncy ball.
So, stay
tuned.
Alright, Corbin, so what's the first step?
We're going to mix 1 teaspoon of borax
with a half a cup of hot tap water. So we're going to pour in our half a cup of hot tap water. And he's going to put in 1 teaspoon of borax. And we're going to mix it until the borax dissolves, and we'll go to the next step.
We're going to put 1 tablespoon glue in cup 2. It's actually school glue.
Yeah, that's white school glue. All right, and we'll go to the next step. Okay, Corbin, what's the next step?
To put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into cup 2.
All right, we'll go to the next step. Also in cup number 2, we're gonna put
2 drops of food coloring.
All right, so in that cup we have the glue, the cornstarch, and the food coloring.
I chose orange, my favorite color.
All right,
That was it.
let's go to the next step. Okay, Corbin, what's the next step?
Now we're gonna pour the glue mixture into the borax mixture.
Okay, we're gonna let that sit for 15 seconds and we'll be right back. Okay, the mixture has been sitting for 15 seconds, so now Corbin's gonna pull the mixture out of the cup here.
Before we let it drip a little bit.
All right, and this is what it should look like. And now Corbin is going to knead it into a ball. All right, so Corbin has kneaded it and rolled it into a ball, and now he's gonna try to bounce it. Let's see if it works. Whoa, it's a bouncy ball, cool.
It's not sticky, look. See, look, sticky.
Cool. Yeah, so there's your bouncy ball. You can make one yourself right at home.
You don't have to buy it at the store, make your own.
Yes.
Thanks for watching, bye.